Okay, now in this video I'm going to talk about one more important property of a matrix, that is equality of matrix. If two matrices are given and how we can equate. So the matrix could be equated if and only if their order is same. Like suppose over here, for example, the matrix A is given. Here the heading is going to be equality of matrix. Equality of matrix means like when two matrix you can equate. So here I'm going to explain with the help of example. Okay, suppose this matrix A is given 1 and 2. Okay, and the another matrix is given like here is given x and here is given y. Okay, now when we can say two matrices could be equal, matrices could be equal if and only if their order of matrix, suppose this is one row, this is second row, so this order matrix is 2 by 1 and the column is 1. Here this is one row and this is the second row and this is the one column, so this order matrix is going to be 2 by 1. So this two matrices order are same, so if the order is same we can equate two matrices. Okay, we can say two matrices could be equal if and only if their order is if both the matrix are of being of same order. So I am equating over here this A matrix 1 comma 2 and this matrix x comma y, so we can equate. Okay, now if we are equating, then this is which variable, what is the position of this variable? This is first row and first column, so this is going to be first. What is the order of this? 2 1. This is second row and first column, so this order is going to be 2 1. Similarly over here, this one is first row first column. Okay, this is second row first column, so this is going to be 2 1. So the corresponding element of the same place will be equal. So here x and this x equals to 1 and here y, and comparison to y, what is present over here? So y equals to 2. So the equality of matrix, two matrices would be equal if and only if their order is same and inside elements also the same place, same position matrices. For one more time explain you, like this is the comparison for I have explained you, if you place this value over here in this matrix, see the A matrix was 1 2, okay, and B matrix was x and y, and x value we got 1 and y value we got 2. So see this matrix order is same, and with the order what other things should be equal, the same position elements should also be equal. Suppose like this is the A11 value is 1 and over here A11 value is also 1. If this is 21 A21, so this is A21. So with the order what other things should be equal, their inner element of the same position should also be equal, then we can say two matrices are equal, otherwise not. Okay, like suppose, so and this is the application part of the two matrices which are equal. Already it is given, what was given, A and B two matrices are equal. If A and B two matrices are equal, then their order should be same and their same position element also should be equal, then we can say the two matrices are going to be equal. So this was given like A and B are two equal matrices. If it is equal, then we can equate A equals to B. I have equated, and their position component also will become equal, so I have equated. So that's how we got the value of x and y, and after getting the x and y value, I have placed matrices. A was 1 and 2 and B also has come 1 and 2, so the order is also same and their inner element is also same. Over here A is equals to 2 4 6 9. Okay, and this matrix order is what, two rows and 2 columns, so 2 by 2 matrix. And what is B matrix? B is going to be 1 6 3 and 9, so this is also 2 by 2 matrix. This matrix order is same, correct? this matrix order is same, but all other elements of the C, this is 2 1, this is second row and first column, and this is what is the order of what is the position of this element, 9 A 2 2, because second row and second column. So and this one A first row and second column, first row second column. Okay, and what is the position of this A11, first row first column. Similarly over here A11, this is A12, this is A21, and this is A22. So here all elements are, inner elements are same, except this A11 is not equals to A11. Here is 1, here is 2. So this matrix is not equal. Their order is same, but their inner elements also should be same. Then we can say two matrices would be equal, otherwise not. So here the order is same, that both the matrices are of orders 2 by 2, but their inner elements are different of position A11, and the remaining are same. But if one is different, then the matrices are not going to be equal. One more example I see, the application part of that from your exercise, and that is going to be the question, like you need to calculate the value of x and y involved in the variable, involved in the matrices, and find out the value of x and y, involve x and y. So this is the question number 5 of your textbook exercise 9.3. okay, these are the two matrices. What is given, these two matrices are equal, already given, are equal. If it is equal, if it is already equated, this matrix is going to be equals, oh sorry, this I have written wrong, this is 4 over here. Okay, these matrices already given equal, so their corresponding position element of same position will be equal. So this and this will be equal. If it is equal, their inner element also going to be same, going to be equated and of same position. So here this and this will be equal, so x equals to 6, and this is 4, this is y, so y is equals to going to be 4. If you place over here x place 6 and y place 4, so both matrices you can see is become equal. Now I am going to take one more example, question number 7. Okay, now I am going to take one more example, that is question number 7, and the question number 7, one second, hold on, question number 7 is, here two matrices are given equal, this is x, this is z, this is 2y, and this is 9 equals to, and here is going to be 4 3, and that is going to be 12 and 9. okay, now here this both the matrices are already given equal. If it is equal, their corresponding element also will be equal. Now to equate that, okay, I'll equate the corresponding element of inner. So this is going to be equal, this is going to be equated with this one, and here this z is going to be equated with this. okay, so I'm going to equate this, x value is going to be 4. okay, now then 2y is equals to 12, so 2y equals to 12. To remove this 2, I need to divide, so y is equals to 6, y value we got 6. Now I need to equate z is equals to, and that the other side the 3, so z value is going to be 3. So this is how we can calculate the involved variable if two matrices are equal. So like this, you need to try out some more examples from your textbook, and it's very easy, it's not that much difficult. And if you find any difficulty, you can post your doubts on the forum. Thank you.